ain't sleeping. Mommy make just enough for rent, we barely eating. Suffocated by life's problems, I'm barely breathing. People die every day, but family still barely speaking. Tired of seeing people take other people for granted. Until somebody dies, I never could understand it. Hard to admit it, but my problems outweigh my ambition. It's like my struggles impairing my vision. Cause I used to close my eyes and picture better days. Now it's just to keep the tears from running down my face. Feel like my walls are caving in, I'm running out of space. This ain't the life I want for me, I'm feeling out of place. In need of something more, in search of something greater. Money's nice, but when you die, it's just a piece of paper. So am I in need of money or in need of healing? The deepest cut is my struggle, it got me feeling. Got me feeling. Deepest cut is my struggle, it got me feeling. Got me feeling. Got me feeling. Yeah. Life goes on, but everything stops when that mic goes on. That's when now I think about what might go wrong, not even for a second. Ask me how I do it, I say my life wrote songs. This ain't something that I made up, this everything that I made up. Never sleeping cause I accomplish more nights that I stay up. Problems are more than heavy, don't tell me to get my weight up. Cause I've been carrying burdens that make you wish you don't wake up. Feel like I'm in a movie, I live it and I write it. Y'all criticize it, but I never did it for you to like it. I do it because I love it, I do it because it's priceless. I do it better so no one can say they did it like I did. Wait, you ever look in the mother's eyes and you feel the pain? You ever try to convince your friends that you'll never change? All the problems that I stay concealing, the deepest cut is my struggle, it got me feeling. Got me feeling. Got me feeling. Got me feeling. Deepest cut is my struggle, it got me feeling.